how to turn on vertical tabs on Google Chrome. So simply follow the top right corner showing you to three dot, press on three dot and showing you to settings. Okay, I'm get this interface. Go to this link, select and close. Right here to flags and press enter. I'm get search flag option, search here to vertical tabs, default to make sure enable, and press on to relaunch and just reopen to a new tab. Press on mouse left side and showing you to show tab to vertical. As you can see, now enable this. That's it.